If you need to find ebooks on humanities-related subjects, ACLS Humanities E-Book is a good place to start your search. With over 5,000 ebooks, Humanities E-Book contains some of the most important humanities and social science titles. In order to search for titles, let's begin by clicking the Browse and Search link at the top. Here you can browse all of the available titles and sort them using the drop-down menu by date added, author, publication date, or title. You can also filter results by using options on the left-hand side of the page. You can filter by subject, author, publisher, and series. To search for a particular title or keyword, type your terms in the search box here. Let's search for books on the Renaissance. Try choosing a book to see how to access the full text. If you scroll down, you can open individual sections from the table of contents. You can also choose to download the book or access it through the database by clicking Read. In this view, you can jump to different sections in the table of contents by clicking these 3 lines in the top left. To easily cite this book, click Get Citation and choose your desired citation style. Use the search bar to easily search for keywords within the book. Click the gear icon in the top right to adjust your page view, or select the arrow link to go into full screen mode. Finally, if you have questions about accessing ACLS Humanities eBook, be sure to contact a librarian. Good luck with your research!